What's up guys, welcome back to Traction Garage. Thank you for watching. Today we are going to be working on the Jeep JK. We're going to be putting in some rough country in their fender liners. I'm super excited to cover up all that exposed space that's just sitting out there right now and catching some rain and dirt inside the engine and just inside the bay. I'm just really hoping that these fit really well. According to the reviews, it should be just direct bolt on. Otherwise, it should be a pretty simple install. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see more Jeep and S2000 content, and we have a Ram as well. We're going to be getting a couple more cars, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching once again, and hope you enjoy this install. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is my Jeep JK here. It's currently my wife's daily driver. So we are gonna install some rough country fender liners and see how they look. So we got the bad boys right here. Check them out. Woo! I'm so excited to put these on. Let's get started. Alright, so let's see what goodies we got here. We got a QR code for instructions. We got the backing plate for the rough country here. Nice. This is actually ready for paint, so you could paint it whatever color to match your Jeep colorway. I'm keeping it this way because of the colorway we have going on here, which is just a pure, you know, steel looking, aluminum looking color. The gray, so it's gonna match super nice with everything else. I have some D-rings in the front as well, and with the white Rubicon logo here, so should be pretty good with just this color. If I ever change up the color scheme on this Jeep, which I don't think I will, then we'll paint this. But yeah, we got that. We got all the hardware here. Got a little magazine for anything for the JK. Cool. And another backing plate. So let's get ready for the install. Alright guys, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install the backing plate. So we're gonna just put this right over. We're gonna try to align the holes. Perfect. And then all you do is you get a washer. You get a washer, you get a Allen key screw right here. It's just a 4 millimeter, and then a 10 millimeter nut, and then we just screw these on here, and it should be good to go. Alright guys, so we got the backing plate on here. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put in the clips that hold these two pieces together. So it's pretty straightforward. The way this works, you just pop it right in. For there's two different clips. So there's a smaller one, there's a bigger one. The smaller one goes to attach the fenders together, and then the bigger ones go on the outside, which I'll show you guys in a minute, to bolt on to the actual Jeep and fender. So the way it works is you literally just pop this right in. See if I can do it with one hand. Yep, just pops right in, and then you just attach the other piece. Cool, let's get done. Alright guys, for this last backing piece right here, we're gonna put the smaller clips right here because it attaches to this other piece right here, and then the bigger clips on the outside on these right here, because that goes into the actual fender. Alright guys, with our backing plate done, we're ready to attach this piece right here with our clips done and everything ready to be attached. So we're gonna go ahead and screw these on now. Alright guys, so to put in the beautiful fender liner, what we have to do is we have to take off these 3 bolts right here to fit in the rear bracket. The only thing is, it depends what kind of fender flares you have. I have some aftermarket Smitty built ones, so all I have to do is just take off these 3 bolts and then put in the back plate of the fender liner that goes in here. So let's do that. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to get this back piece and we're just going to align these holes right here and then use the screw that was provided, the bigger one, and just screw this right back in. Okay, so the next day I got frustrated because this bracket right here doesn't align. This middle one is way too low. The top 2 align just perfect. This middle one doesn't align at all. I don't know if they maybe sent me a bad bracket, but I tried both sides and both of these are just not aligning. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave this bracket be and just screw in that middle bolt from the fender flare to hold in the fender flare. Hopefully you guys have better luck aligning it. I wasn't able to. I tried for like an hour and I said nope, I'm done. Like, I can't deal with this anymore because it's supposed to be just straightforward and just wouldn't align. So I'm just gonna go ahead and screw in the middle bolt of the fender flare, and then I'm just gonna put this bracket on. Okay, so we got that piece on there. Now let's go get the other piece. Alright guys, so you have to kind of play around with it, but all you do is you align these 2 bolts right here and then just hand tighten them, and then you just connect this one to the other piece that wouldn't align. We're gonna line that up right now and then screw in the screws, and then there's a screw right here that you attach to the body, and then one more right here that we're gonna align, and then we're gonna have to drill one right here. Alright guys, and the last thing we're going to do is just drill a hole right here for that last bolt, and that's just going to be a 5/16 drill bit, and we're going to put another clip on here and then screw it in, and we're done. Let's do it. Guys, that is all. Hope you enjoyed the video. There was a couple little complications with lining things up, but just with messing around a little bit, we were able to get these fender liners all lined up and just all screwed in and all good to go. I hope you guys like how it looks. Let me know what do you guys think. I think it's a really good budget option for some fender liners from Rough Country, really good brand. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day and watching this video. Hope I was able to help or just give you some options on some fender liners on your Jeep. This is a new camera that I'm using. It's a GoPro Hero 9. It's probably not the best vlog camera or filming camera, but thought I'll give it a shot. Let me know what you guys think, or if you have any tips on how to use this camera or any other cameras I could use. But I really appreciate your guys' time and watching this video. Leave some comments, and if you like what you saw, just please subscribe and be updated to more videos coming up. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good one.